The Speaker recognizes Minority Leader Greimel.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I rise because some core principles that our nation and state have long valued are in jeopardy under this bill. The right to jury trial has a long history in our nation. It's a principle that was so valued by the Founding Fathers that it was embedded in the Bill of Rights. And we heard today in committee testimony that this bill would reduce the ability of plaintiffs against the state and others of having a trial by jury. And I would further argue that nowhere is a trial by jury more important than when trying to hold government accountable. And that's what the Court of Claims does. It's a venue by which plaintiffs can seek judicial redress against the state of Michigan. And we heard testimony after testimony today that this bill would make it harder for plaintiffs to hold the government accountable by seeking judicial redress against the state. This amendment would seek to address those concerns by expanding the right to jury trial to all litigants before the Court of Claims and make sure that the state of Michigan's government is held accountable by juries of our peers. And again, nothing is more important under the U.S. Constitution and our state's Constitution than holding limited government accountable. This bill, as written currently, would go in the opposite direction, making sure that all litigants have a right to jury trials regarding claims against the state helps ensure that we're holding government accountable. I know that's a principle that members on both sides of this aisle hold dear, and I ask that this amendment be adopted.
Thank you, Minority Leader Greimel. The question is on the adoption of the amendment. The clerk will open the board. The amendment is not adopted. Are there further